Hey, brilliant knowledge for business. Please, before watching the video, click on subscribe to support us to post more valuable content. Warren Buffett said, Rule number 1, never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Eastman Kodak shares are enjoying a revival. Shares were up an astonishing 474% Wednesday afternoon, building on Tuesday's nearly as astonishing 200% plus gain. Shares closed Wednesday up 318%. New capital and new business are the reasons. The question for investors now is, how high can shares go? It isn't an easy question to answer. There are no analysts handling the company and no target prices to help investors. What's also, the company is taking a government loan to build a drug ingredient business. Kodak has been and is in the imaging business. Valuing a large new business is difficult for any investor evaluating a company. Kodak stock traded above $32 in 2014 in its return from bankruptcy strength. The stock has traded for about 0.3 to 0.4 times sales over the past few years. The company is trading for more than 1 time sales now, at more than $33 a share, adding in the new debt the government is giving. The old highs have already been exceeded. Shares hit $60 at one point Wednesday and are up about 1,500% over the past 3 days, according to Dow Jones market data. Is the stock too high? Kodak's new business is generic drug ingredients. Generic drug makers trade for about 1.5 times sales. Of course, Kodak doesn't have the business further. And when it does, all of its sales won't be drug-related. Kodak was the most popular stock on Robintrack on Tuesday, a website that follows changes in Robinhood stock trading accounts. More than 20,000 accounts added trades. General Electric was the other most popular stock, with about 9,500 new positions job. Across the past 24 hours, more than 80,000 new Kodak positions have been initiated through Robinhood users. More buying than selling is the technical reason any stock rises. The price of buying helps explain how much a stock is rising. General Electric has a market capitalization of more than $60 billion. Its shares rose 2.5% Tuesday, in part on higher interest from different traders. Kodak is a micro-cap stock worth less than $350 million as of Tuesday's closing price. It doesn't take a lot to notice shares moving. Kodak stock is now up more than 600% year-to-date, just even comparable to returns of the S&P 500 and Dow Jones Industrial Average. What profits will look like from here is anyone's guess. Investors, however, should prepare for volatility. Early Wednesday, trading in Kodak shares was suspended because of volatility but resumed after about 7 minutes. It was just a chance for investors to catch their respiration.